Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to extend sky area for banner designs. Select by increasing the canvas size upward. Select the clone stamp tool with a soft brush. Sample clean sky near the top. Paint upward to fill the extended canvas. Keep stroke smooth to match gradients. Change sample to avoid visible repeats. Blend clouds edges naturally and also lower opacity for gradient transitions. Fix color mismatch slowly and add more strokes for smoother sky. Zoom out for overall harmony and also softness. Harsh transitions keep the sky look wide and natural, and now your sky fits perfectly in